Katie.
What?
Hi.
I look like shit, Gavin.
That cat is so cute. Okay, it's just sitting there like, sup. He's just, you know, sitting, just sitting by himself, just looking around, being like, sup guys, let's chill, you know.
Still there.
I'm a rebel.
And
What?
status
He's still there? He went back?
Yeah. He's still sitting there just looking around.
So cute. Katie's contact. I get it. Hi, Katie, so much. Hi, Katie, so much. What the fuck? Hi,
What?
Katie, so much.
So much hot candy?
I don't know. That was a really fucking weird way to say that. Wait, what?
What?
What? Wait, I hate when people say that. Why did I just say that?
I save you.
Why are you pulling my skin? Brittany, why are you pulling the skin from my leg off?
My hands are right here.
I feel something pulling at my skin. That's fucking weird. Hi, Katie. What's up? Oh, he's laying down now. It's just like, sup. You know, I'm chill.